Okay, what we're dealing with today is moving content from one Moodle page to another when you cannot use the import feature. What you will need to do in this case is to do a backup of an activity and then move that activity to the new server. So going from one Moodle server to the next, you need to use the backup and restore functionality. So in this example, I'm going to go to this assignment. I am then going to go to More. I'm going to select Backup. I'm bringing over the activity. Depending on which activity that you're doing, you may or may not need the question bank. And because this is an assignment, I don't need to bring over the question bank. And I won't include any content bank content. And I'm just going to jump to the final step. So the backup file has been created. Now what I need to do with this backup file that I just created, this one right here, I just need to download it. Okay, that file has now been downloaded, as you can see here. And then I'm going to go to my next course, which is on a different server. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, in this course, I'm going to select More. I'm going to go to Course Reuse. And I'm going to select Restore from that drop-down list. And then I'm going to drag and drop that file that I just downloaded over to this space. That only contains an activity, as you can see by the name. All right, so I'm going to restore into this specific course. I'm not making any other changes, selecting next. And as you can see, it's only bringing in this specific activity. Going next again, and then also performing restore. So now when I go into this course, because it's been successfully restored, that item has now been added to this course. You can see it right here. All right, so that's how you'll perform an assignment or an activity backup and then restore into another course.